Hey guys, this is White with Triad Dirtworks, bringing you another video today, and I'm actually sitting down. We're not on a job. We're actually back at the old headquarters here and wrapping things up for today. And I just want to take a couple moments and talk about kind of where we're at, where we've been, where we're at, where we're going, so to speak, about our channel. It's kind of like a channel update video, and I wanted to do it, you know, not on the job. I just wanted to sit down, gather some thoughts, and then share it with you guys. So where we've been on YouTube now for going on, I want to say 10 months or so, and had a really good time so far. I think this will make number 60 video on the channel. Very excited about that, and it's been great. It's been great. Learned a lot. Learned about a lot about filming. We went into this YouTube thing kind of so unprepared, and I guess that's the only way to start, is just to go and just jump in it head deep, and that's exactly what we did. We went out and got some cameras, got a little drone, and just started putting some videos on. Dad, he loves watching YouTube. It's one of his favorite things to do. He don't even watch even normal TV. He watches Buck and Billy Ray, Outdoor with the Morgans, Andrew, I think Carmetti, forgive me if the pronunciation's incorrect, but all these guys on YouTube. And he was just thinking, what will it take for us to get on YouTube? And I was like, well, just a couple cameras, and that's where we're at. And it's gotten us to this point, and I'm so thankful. And I just want to give a bunch of gratitude to you folks out there that watches our channel and continues to support us. We're small right now. Currently, we're sitting at 172 subscribers, which is way more than I ever thought that we would have. I'm so thankful for that. And I just want to gain some more traction moving forward, and keep pushing out the content that hopefully you guys find entertaining, and maybe learn a little bit too along the way about Dirtworks and all the different things that we do when it comes to work. So that's kind of where we've been and where we're at. And I do want to mention one thing. We did get a like goal. Set a like goal on one of our previous videos at 20 likes, and we surpassed that. And I do want to kind of reward, I guess you could say, by doing a Triad Dirtworks live stream on YouTube. And I wanted to share this with you too, so you'd be prepared. This is first live stream Triad Dirtworks, and as me as a person, I've never went live on any kind of social platform. But I thought it would be a cool way and a different style of video, different style of content to provide you guys. And so yeah, we're gonna loosely put it on the schedule for this coming Sunday. That'll be May the 30th at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we're on the East Coast, we're in North Carolina, so it's gonna be 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Sunday, May the 30th, which is coming up this week. And as long as we do not have any technical difficulties, like I said, I'm going to do my best to do all the legwork in the beginning and throughout the week to make sure that the live stream stuff will work. And I don't see no problem with that, because YouTube, they're on top of their stuff when it comes to uploading videos and all that good stuff. So I'm not anticipating any of that. But the live stream is just going to be kind of a Q&A. You guys come in the chat, ask questions. I'll try to answer them the best of my ability. I'll actually, this one I'm going to do solo, starting off, to kind of work out the kinks and see what happens. So I'll answer all the questions best I can, and maybe coming up in the future months ahead of us, or weeks, we can do some more live streams and get the whole Triad team involved and see where it goes. But this one, I just kind of want to do an icebreaker live stream. That way you guys can interact with us in real time and ask some questions, and go from there and to see where the topics take us. And that's kind of all I've got for this video, just kind of a channel update where we're at. Like I said, I cannot stress enough how much we appreciate all the support. And I know I've kind of coined the phrase at the end of Triad Dirtwork videos, this is why Triad Dirtworks, and we do appreciate you. When I say those words, folks, I really do mean it. I appreciate all the stuff and all the joy that you guys have brought in us through the comment sections and liking the videos and hopefully sharing it with your friends. So it does mean a lot to us. We love getting up every day. YouTube is a big talking point throughout our day. Dad gets so excited. He's like, man, we just got another subscriber. he gets really excited about it, and it's a really good thing, and I'm so glad we're doing it. And I want to reward you guys with a live stream, so that's what we're going to do. And so yeah, guys, if let me know down in the comments if that's a good time for you guys. I know we've got some international people in the channel, and I do believe how live streams work. You can actually keep it and record it as well. Like I said, I'm new to this, so I'm not completely sure. So if you miss it, you might still be able to see a taped version of it, and we'll work out them kinks later. But like I said, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday morning. That is May the 30th once more, and hopefully we'll see you guys there. So guys, this is Wyatt with Triad Dirtworks, and like always, we appreciate you.